Hi, I'm Grace. I'm the founder of Birdy Grey Suits, and today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to measure yourself for the perfect suit size. Before we start, you'll need a soft tape measure and an extra hand to help you measure. For your jacket and shirt, you'll need 3 points of measurements: your chest, shoulders, and arms. To measure your chest, bring the measuring tape around the back and under your armpits. You'll want to wrap it around the fullest part of your chest. Now for the next measurement, you'll want to go from shoulder point to shoulder point. This is where the end of your shoulder and the top of your arm meet. To get the most accurate number, you'll have to take the measurement from behind. For the arms, take the tape measure from the same shoulder point and run it down to your wrist bone. Now, take the number that you had from the previous shoulder measurement and divide it in half. Add that number to your arm measurement. And that's your total arm measurement. And these are your final measurements for your jacket. Now let's go to the size chart. If your chest is 40 inches and your shoulders are 18 inches, the recommended jacket size is 40. For the jacket length, make sure to start from the jacket size, which is 40 in this case. Based on our earlier calculation, your total arm measurement was 34 inches, which falls in the regular length. So your total jacket size is 40R. For shirts, just reference your chest and your shoulder measurements. Based on our example of 40 inches for the chest and 18 for the shoulders, your recommended shirt size would be a medium. To get your pant measurement, you'll need the measurements for your waist and your inseam. For your waist, just have your normal jean size handy. Most guys should know this by memory. To get the inseam measurement, stand with your feet slightly apart and you'll want to measure from the top of your crotch. Take the tape measure all the way down to the inside of your ankle bone. That's your inseam. Note that this is higher than the crotch of your pants, so if you're not wearing something form-fitting, you'll need to lift the measuring tape higher, closer to your pubic bone. In our example, the jean size was 34. Referencing our size chart, your recommended pant size would be 34. The inseam measurement was 32 inches, so the recommended inseam length would be 32 inches. So your final pant size would be 34 by 32. By the way, our pant sizes come in 2-inch increments, so each size can accommodate an inch below and an inch above. The hem of our pants also have hidden fabric in case you need extra length. Our suit pants come with an elastic waistband, while our tuxedos have adjusters on the sides for flexibility. Make sure to use these measurements to refer to the size chart on our product pages.